Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to discuss our chapter number 11 mensuration. In this video we are going to discuss area of rectangle, area of square. Now rectangle, the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now this is the formula to find the area of rectangle. Now here suppose this length is 5 centimeter and this is breadth is 2 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equals to L into B. L is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So the area is 10 centimeter square. Now second one is square. The area of square is equal to side into side. Now for example, if one of the side is 5 centimeter and other side is also 5 centimeter, so area of square is equals to side into side. So 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter is equals to 25 centimeter square. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot. So the type of plot is a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per square meter. So this blue one is the house. Around this house she want to develop a garden. So this red one portion here she want to develop the garden. So we are going to find what is the area of this portion, and to develop this garden 55 rupees square per meter is the charge. So let us see. So to find the area of this garden, area of the garden is equals to, so we can write area of the outer square, minus area of the inner rectangle. Now here the area of the outer square. So this plot is in the square shape. So we can write area of square as 25 into 25 meter square minus area of the rectangle. You can see this house is 20 meter into 15 meter. So we can write 20 meter into 15 meter, or we can write 25 into 25 is 625 meter square minus 20 into 15 300 meter square. So when we subtract this, we get 325 meter square. 325 meter square. Now this is the area of the garden. This is the area of this garden. Now the cost of developing the garden, cost of developing a garden at the rate rupees 55 per meter square is equals to, so here we are going to multiply 55 into 325 because 325 is the area of this garden. So when we multiply this, we get 17,875 rupees. So this is the total money by which Mrs. Kaushik has to develop the garden. The shape of the garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the end as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Now in the question we can see here this garden, this is rectangular in the middle, this is rectangular in the middle, and we can see this garden is semicircular at the end. So we are going to find the area and the perimeter of this garden. So first we can write the total area of the garden. Total area of the garden is equals to area of rectangular plot, area of rectangular portion plus sum of area of pair of semicircle, because two semicircles are here, pair of semicircle. Okay, so area of rectangle, so area of rectangle is L into B. Now L into B, it is given in the question the length of the rectangular is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. It means this much length is 13 meter. The length of the rectangular is 13 meter. So we can write 13 meter into the breadth is given here as 7 meter. So 7 meter plus the sum of pair of two semicircles. So two semicircles are here. This is one semicircle and this is another semicircle. So we can write 2 into semicircle formula. Circle formula is 2 pi r. So semicircular formula is 1 by 2 into 2 into pi r square. So radius, diameter here is 7 meter. So radius is 3.5 meter into 3.5 meter. So 3.5 meter into 3.5 meter. Now we can cancel this 2 with this 2. Now when we simplify this, we get 91 meters square, plus when we simplify this, we get 38.5 meters square, and when we add this, we get 129.5 meters square. So this is the area of this garden. Now the perimeter of the garden, so we know perimeter of the garden means the total length of this garden. So total length of this garden, so how we can write? We can write 2 into length of rectangular portion plus circumference of the circle. So 2 into length means 2 into 13 meter is the length of the rectangular, plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 3.5 meter. So 26 meter. When we simplify this, we get 22 meter. So when we add this, we get 48 meter. So the perimeter of the garden is 48. Hope you enjoy this session. Thank you.